Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS, James here. How are you today? So this is what we call final installation all done in the Subaru Liberty 2010, which is the generation 2007 and 2014. And if you know that, we already have a few other videos about this one, and now this is final and it's already fully into the place. So technically the system already get in with the new head unit SUBARU touchscreen, and especially custom built by MPX AUTOS, and also it has the full new camera, full HD super wide angle anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera upgrade. So have a look at how the camera is nicely and professionally done over here. You come down there and you can see that the factory camera was here. Okay, it was here, but now if you go around and see this camera, you don't see it as anything different much, except it has the golden ring here, of course, new one, but it sits there right there at the factory location and it works beautifully. So let's see how the new camera show up on the screen when you reverse. Okay, yes, that's how it is. It show right there, bumper bar with the edge, super wide angle, and that's why you see it a little bit curving, but it's super wide angle and it's super clear and it's full HD. So day and night time reversing now is absolutely a pleasure. Now talking about the new system fully installed, where you can see that it is looking like a factory screen, absolutely. Because we use everything factory here, we don't remove anything on the setup here that you can see. We get the wiring beautifully done. For any of the future of this car, we can provide you with the plug and play wiring design, which is absolutely easy for installation, but don't take it wrong, it takes a lot of time to get it to the final step here, because of the nature of the car. You know, installation, it requires many different steps. But it's beautifully done, absolutely. And the steering wheel control is fully connected to the volume and the phone answer as well. It has many buttons, but the mode button still work as the main function for those functions here. If you change the mode button now, you will see it changing here. You know, you see that? Yep, it changed to the factory AM FM radio. We don't have the disc now in the car because the owner doesn't have the disc, but it shouldn't affect the disc function because the car still run everything at the bottom as factory. But main point is when we press the steering wheel button here, it's still working to change the factory system and combining with the new system. So if you want to run the new system, just press the mode button and you see the dot over here. Yep, and you're done, and you have all the sound system beautifully show up, because the premium system here has very strong amplifier professional build and combined with the factory Macintosh sound system. Okay, so that is how it actually is. And again, the reverse camera is a pleasure, and steering wheel control and factory system here all working, and the new system beautifully installed like factory and all working. I think that's pretty much what we need to have. And we have also two other USB port hidden nicely inside the glove box as well. We have strong microphone, so all up, all good. So thanks again for watching, and yeah, hopefully you enjoy this one. And if you have the car like this, you know that currently we already have this one ready, and it is something, oh sorry, the glove, it is something very, very nice. All right, thank you, and we'll see you then.